I have great news for you. A question and an invitation. Leading-edge science at all scales of existence is revealing a radical new vision of the world. Instead of its material and separate appearance, our universe is not only fundamentally interconnected, but exists and evolves as a unified entity, made up of universal information and holographically manifested, literally a cosmic hologram. It's a great thought rather than a great thing. The question is, are you ready for a wonderful adventure of self-discovery that can transform the world? And if so, I invite you to share and live this new vision of unity. We're at a threshold we've never been before. We're the first of our species capable of conscious evolution. But we also hold the ability to destroy ourselves and everything else, to evolve and thrive, or to collapse and even become extinct. All our tomorrows are at stake. Our harmful behaviours, our conflicts and exploitations of people and planet all come from the seeming separation of ourselves with each other and with the world around us. As it turns out, the cause is an illusion. The cosmic hologram model and its WholeWorld-View provides us with clear facts and undeniable science that we're all part of the same grand thought, of the same intention of cosmic mind. We're discovering that consciousness isn't something we have, but what we and everything else are. The separation between you and me, between us and our planet, between our planet and the entire universe is illusory. What this means is that I cannot any longer ignore your pain and your problems, because they affect a part of me that I've refused to see until now. I affect you, and you affect me. I can choose love and a deeper connection with you. We can choose unity and higher possibility for everyone. Together, we can choose to shape a new story for humanity and our planet and turn it into a future that's bold, exciting and flourishing for all. Conscious evolution. We can change all of our tomorrows right now.